everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I was able to style my hair using clip-ins received from Sassina Hair. Alright y'all, now I'm going to keep it 100% real with y'all. Whether the product is sent to me or whether I spend my own coin on the product, I always like to keep it real, 100% real. Now this was a little struggle for me because initially I wanted to wear my hair out. You guys know how I like the side part and having everything, you know, out whatever with the clip-ins. But what ended up happening is, you know, I have a dome. Alright, so if your head is bigger than mine or my size, one bundle of these clip-ins, and I believe it's 7 pieces, will not be enough. And that's what I found. So I was like, okay, this hair is not enough for my head, okay? So I was able to come up with another style which I really like, and I actually like the way it happened. So maybe, you know, the one bundle not being enough for me was motivation for me to try something different. Alright, so it pushed me to try something different, and that's what I did, and I absolutely love it. Alright, so just keeping it real, and a disclaimer, if you have a head my size or bigger, one bundle of the 7-piece clip-ins will not be enough. You may have to go in and buy another bundle if you want to wear your hair out, or, you know, wear a bundle and a half. So yeah, I made it work. I improvised and I got my scissors out and did what I had to do to get this style, and I love it. I absolutely love it, y'all. So if you want to see exactly what I did to get my hair looking like this, keep on watching. Alright, of course I have to show you guys the packaging. It came in this pink box with the logo on the front, and it says Sassina Hair, or Sassina, or however you pronounce it, okay? Just letting you know this is 100% human hair, so you can do pretty much whatever you want to it. And it came in this package here. And they also sent a comb, which was really thoughtful, and lashes. Yes. I love when companies add extra goodies to their packages. Now I'm just taking the hair out, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but in my mind I'm like, I don't think this is gonna be enough for the style that I wanted to do. So I'm just like, okay, don't panic, Waldia. Don't panic, don't panic. So it comes with one 8-inch wide weft, which has the 4 clips, and then 2 6-inch wide weft with the 3 clips, and then 3 4-inch wide wefts with the 2 clips, so 3 of those, and then 1 2-inch wide weft with 1 clip. All right, and as you can see with my hair, what I did was I just 2-strand twist the front and the back with just large twist, because the back is going to go up in a ponytail. My hair is already moisturized the day before, and now I'm just taking everything down so that I can start molding it into the ponytail. Right, taking my brush, I am just simply brushing everything up and smoothing my hair so that I can tie it up. Taking a rubber band that does not have the metal plate, because I don't want that to break my hair. I'm just gonna tie my hair up into a small bun. Okay, now I'm just gonna unravel my twist. You guys have seen me do this millions of times. And when I unravel, I'm also going to be separating it just to make it a little bit more fluffier. And now I am just going to part my hair. Your part does not have to be straight, because the clippers are going to cover your parts anyway. So I'm just going to make 2 sections. In the front, I'm going to attach the 2 clips in the front, and I'm going to attach it to not too tight on my scalp, but more on my hair, as you can see here. And then I'm creating another section up here and just attaching I think this is the 3 clips. And I do like the clips because they're not hard to snap open. I didn't struggle at all, and it doesn't hurt my scalp at all. But like I said, it's just the way you apply the clip-ins. Just make sure you put it on your hair and not your scalp, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to start cutting away. At this point, I'm nervous. I'm like, oh boy, is it going to look right? Is it going to blend right? I didn't know what to expect. So yeah, I took the scissors and just started cutting away. I'm like, you know what? If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Whatever. Just do the best you can. And that's what I did. Alright, and then I'm going to take the 4-piece clip-in and clip that around the ponytail. So I'm just going to take the remainder of the clip-ins and just keep clipping it around the ponytail. And this is the 3-piece. Another 3-piece. And then the 1-piece. And then I'm just going to take the comb and tease the hair by combing it out a little bit, just to give it some volume. And then I'm just going to wrap this into a messy bun. The bun doesn't have to be neat. It doesn't have to be uniform. Just a nice, simple bun. Wrap that around my hair to cover it. And make sure your hair is covered when you're doing this step. And then I'm going to take my hairpins and just pin everything and make sure it's secure. And make sure to cover the clip-ins, the tracks. You don't want people to see that, okay? No one needs to know. All right, y'all, and this is what my hair is looking like. Let me know if this was a fail, if you liked it, or what you would have done differently. All right, as usual, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.